Good evening, everyone. I am Rathod Lakhan Singh. I have secured rank 756 in UPSC exams. I hail from Basokalyan, Bidar district, Karnataka. Today, I will be talking upon the how we can restore the earth. As we all know that earth is facing various issues, but climate change is one of the most pressing one. The climate change issue has led to various other issues like global warming. It has led to forest fires. It has also led to increase in droughts, flash floods, etc. It has also led to more pressing issue which is at our doorstep is the groundwater depletion. Today, the Basokalyan is facing various issues surrounding the water. One is the groundwater depletion, another one is the drying up of our popular lake, Tiprant Lake. Also, we are facing issue of plastic pollution. We can see debris of plastics in our region, surrounding our homes and all. So, how we can restore our earth is one of the important issue that we need to address. So, restoring our earth can be of multiple solutions. One, we can promote sustainable lifestyle. Second, we should avoid use of fossil fuels. Third, we can promote the use of bicycles instead of motorcycles wherever the distance is short. Fourth, we should go for plantation drives. We need to ensure that our green areas are protected. Rather than protection, we also need to go for afforestation activities. Fifthly, we also need to ensure that our surrounding region is clean. We should minimize the use of plastic because plastic pollution is one of the main contributor of climate change. So in this regard, the Ideal Education Institution has taken various initiatives and they are organizing many events on this Environment Day, which is on 5th of June. I will be joining the event and I hope you all people join it. And thank you.